Hi everyone, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So, long time no read ulit tayo. So, kamusta kayo guys? Again, this is Maria and welcome sa Leluna Tarot. So, um, bang araw na? Happy Friday sa inyong lahat. So, ilang days na lang Christmas na. So, maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat in advance. Okay? So, for today, we are going to do a pick a card reading. So, this is a short pick a card reading. Okay? Para sa ating, um, para sa aking mga subscribers and para sa mga newcomers, okay, sa channel natin. So, sa harapan ninyo, we have two piles. Okay, so, again guys, disclaimer lang, take what's resonate and leave the rest. So, wag seryosohin yung reading natin. So, this is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Yes. So, kahit na hindi mag-resonate sa inyo yung zodiac sign, it's okay. It doesn't matter, okay? So, para sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, welcome sa inyong lahat. And para sa aking mga subscribers na is welcome back, okay? So, kung mapapansin ninyo, pagaw yung aking boses kasi hindi pa rin gumagaling yung ubo ko, and that's one of the reason bakit late na akong nakakapag-upload or ilang araw bago ako makapag-upload kasi nagpapagaling pa po ako from colds, okay, and sipon. Sipon, yan, ubo. Okay, so sa inyong harapan, we have two piles. Ito yung pile number 1, okay, and this is pile number 2. So, ang topic natin for today is para sa mga person na confused whether it's time to let go or not. Okay, so the topic is, if I let go, will she or he come back? So, titingnan natin na kung magla-let go ka ba, will this person ba on your mind or kakonekta mo is babalik? Okay, and sana makita natin ano ba yung naging situation ninyo, why you need to let go dito sa person na to. Okay, again, this is a fun pick a card reading only and wag seryosohin. Okay, so this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Para sa mga bago sa aking channel, meditate on your cards. Okay, bilang ka ng ilang minuto or ilang seconds. Close your eyes and meditate, and kung ano yung card or pile na tumatawag ng pansin mo, mostly, yun yung pile na mag-resonate sa'yo. Okay, so I will give you seconds to choose what pile yung tatawagin yung attention ninyo. So this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. If I let go, will this person or will he or she come back? Focused on your pile. If I let go, will this person come back? So, okay, so start na natin yung reading. We will start sa pile number 1. So, itatabi lang muna natin yung ating pile number 2 here. So, pile number 1, if you let go this person, sa tingin mo ba babalik ba siya? So, we will see. Okay, so 3 type of cards ang ating ginamit dito sa ating reading, composed of oracle card, okay, dalawang oracle card, and tarot card sa ilalim. So, ito yung sagot ng universe, whether babalik ba tong person. Okay? So, let's see first sa iyong oracle card, pile number 1. Proposal, commitment. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . .. .. .. . Okay. Ghosted, disappearing. Cupid's arrow. Have faith, love is coming, surprise invitations, struck by love. Sex, good time. Wow. Anxiety, worry. Someone here is worrying or heavily worrying about someone or something, okay? Cheating, broken issues, okay, that is why. Narcissist, love bombing, self absorbed, one sided, the golden mirror. Wow. Sword and rose, clarity and truth, revelations, honor and protection, determination. Fated meeting, important connection. Wow, okay. Pile number one. So, first of all, okay, what I sense here, this is a quick connection for some of you. So, there is a deeper commitment, whether someone here disappeared without a trace or wala man lang pasabi bakit nawala, bakit hindi nakipag-communicate, bakit biglang walang connection, walang communication. Okay? And maybe you are worrying, pile number one, maybe ikaw yung person na nag-worry, okay, doon sa connection or itong person na to, yung nag-worry. So, take what's resonate, vice versa, ang energy. Okay? For some of you, galing ka sa toxic relationship, po pwedeng it is a one-sided love. You are the one who wants a deeper connection dito sa person na to. Ikaw yung gustong ma-engage, okay? Ikaw yung parang, you're the one who is pushing na parang mas lumalim pa or mas tumagal pa yung relationship while the other person is not. Okay? So, meron ako nakita dito na you're the one who is, alam mo yon yung parang struck by love dito sa person na to kasi maybe there is an involved ng love bombing. Okay? And po pwedeng um, soon it will reveal sa'yo. For some of you, um, you are the one who has an anxiety. Why? Kasi galing ka sa broken relationship or sabihin natin may cheating na involved. Someone here is nag-cheat sa'yo, okay? Para dun sa mga hindi ginosted someone here is nag-cheat sa'yo. Tapos parang nilabam ka, okay? Na where you're expecting na parang alam mo yon na deeper connection yung nakita mo pero it's not the case, okay? So, po pwedeng soon, there is a love or connection coming in, okay? And maybe this is a fated meeting, okay? Very important connection. Itong paparating sa'yo, file number one. Okay, so um, it can be this connection na paparating sa'yo ay mag-push into deeper connection, which is yung maging long-term commitment or kung suswertehin ka is mag-fall into engagement, parang ganyan. Meron kang proposal na makukuha soon. Okay? Yun ang nakita ko ditong energy. And to those, meron din ako nakukuha na for some of you, there is a connection here where is a, may narinig akong one night stand. Okay. Actually, while shuffling itong cards kanina, and binubuo ko pa yung pile number 1 and pile number 2, the song na narinig ko is If You Ever Come Back If You Come Back or If You Ever Come Back ng Blue. So try to listen to that song, yung um, If You Come Back. Okay. Meron akong nakikita na someone here is magbabalik. It can be this is the one who ghosted you. Okay. Meron akong energy, actually this is malayo sa topic natin ngayon, pero meron akong energy na soon someone here is coming back kasi um you have a someone. There is a ito para maano ko, ma-precise ko yung sasabihin ko. There is a two connection, okay? The other one is from old connections, okay? The one who is ghosted you, the one cheated on you, it can be, or the one who is narcissist, which is may negative impact, okay, yung magbabalik. While someone here is going towards you, which is a new connection. This is a fated meeting, okay? Now, which is someone here is proposed sa'yo, okay? So, maybe this person from the other, sabi nating past connections na magbabalik sa'yo, will run towards you kasi malalaman niya na actually someone new is going sa ano mo, going sa way mo. Someone here is going to propose sa'yo, or sabihin na nating wants to have a commitment sa'yo. Kaya magbabalik yung before. Yun yung nakuha ko, guys, ha? Yun yung nakuha kong energy. So, take what's resonate. Sword and a rose. Meron akong nakita dito na na someone is very feminine while the other person is very masculine. So, you balance each other. The one or yung parang new connections na coming towards you. Yun ang nakikita ko, guys. So, let's see on your tarot card. Three of Wands. Wow. It can be the one who is going towards you is a foreigner or from abroad, from a foreign land. Okay, so meron ako nakikita dito na maybe kaya siguro it takes time. Okay. This can be a long distance connection, long distance relationship. Meron ako nakikita. May travel. Okay. It can be a fire sign, Sagittarius, Aries, and Leo. Wow. Defeat. Five of Swords. So, ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na meron akong nakuha din na energy, take what's resonate, guys. Someone who ghosted you. Or someone na parang nang ghost sa'yo, or parang feeling mo parang not possible yung connection. Meron akong energy, guys. Teka lang. Let's separate this one. Meron akong nakuha na energy na akala mo this person is parang nawala na. Akala mo na this person is parang good time lang ang gusto. For some of you ha, yung others sa inyo. May nakuha akong energy na for some of you, akala mo this person is parang, siguro gusto lang nito ng kausap, kaya ako kinakausap nito. Kasi this is from a foreign land. It can be a foreigner or a same nationality but from abroad or from distance. Meron ako nakikita. Meron din ako nakikita na for some of you, meron akong self-sabotaging attitude or energy na nakikita. Whether dahil sa naranasan mo before, sa relationship, you self-sabotage the connection. So, kung ano man yung bagong connection na paparating sa'yo, this is a fated meeting. So, pag sinabi natin fated meeting, it can be a soulmate or a twin flame. Okay? Kasi, ano eh, meron ako nakikita dito. Actually, parang nabasa ko na to eh. Nabasa ko na to before sa mga reading ko na there is someone here na parang ano, nagsiself-sabotage sa connection kasi dahil doon sa naranasan mo before. Judgment. Oo. For some of you, sabi ko nga renewal ha. Renewal from a past connection. So, nasa sa inyo guys whether i-accept mo yung past connections and mag-start ka ulit with this person again or not. Or ifo-forgive mo ba yung person. Kasi meron akong nakikita dito. Guys, alam kong mostly sa inyo ayaw nyo na ng ano. Ayaw nyo na ng from the past. Pero meron akong nakikita dito na for those of you na gusto pa yung person from the past, um, it can be, there is a forgiveness here. Kailangan i-forgive yung other person so that merong reunion na mangyari or may renewal of love. Okay. Sorry guys. Inuubo pa kasi ako. Nine of Wands. Someone here is ano eh. Uh, guarded. Okay. Guarded. And also, meron pumasok sa aking song, If Only I Could Turn Back Time ng Aqua. Turn Back Time yata yun, yung title nun. Guys, i-research nyo na lang. Turn Back Time yata yun yung ano. Yung If Only I Could Turn Back Time. Parang ganon. Someone here is parang wishing na if siguro this person is nagkaroon ng awakening. Okay, nakapag-isip-isip. Nakapag-isip-isip dun sa mali na ginawa niya sa'yo. That's why this person will ask for your forgiveness. Yeah. Maybe this person will propose a higher commitment sa'yo this time. Siguro noon hindi. Pero siguro this time, this person, itatama niya yung mga pagkakamali niya sa'yo. Okay? If possible. Kasi nagkaroon ng self-evaluation tong person na to. But, alam din niya kung ano yung mga nagawa niyang pagkukulang sa pagkakamali sa'yo. Talking about the past person, pile number 1 ha. So, alam din itong person na to na you are guarded. Okay? And siguro itong person to is nag-gather lang ng strength to come towards you. Yeah. Ten of Cups, marriage. So, proposal, commitment, marriage. So, it can be you have a long-term relationship dun sa may past person or this person will ask for a higher commitment sa'yo. So, po pwedeng mag-ask ng marriage, mag-propose for some of you. And, meron ako nakikita na ano, if you let this person again to be on your life, there is a chance na ikasal kayo for those na hindi pa kasal. Para lang doon sa may mga long-term relationship, okay? Strength card, fire sign again. Okay. For some of you, this person is taming his self muna. Parang nagko-control muna siya. Kasi ano, parang nag-aano siya eh, nag-evaluate siya ng maigi kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin para mapatawad mo siya to ask forgiveness. Kasi for some of you, po pwedeng ano eh, hindi basta-basta yung ginawa niya towards you. Okay? For those na nag-resonate sa past person na magbabalik. Okay? Well, if you already let go dito sa person na to, there is a big chance na this person is coming back. So, yun yung sagot ko sa inyo, pile number one. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na proposal or higher commitment, di ba? Asking for forgiveness. Okay? Oh. And also, meron ako nakita dito na with the sword and a rose, you are the one who is taming this person. Right? So, take what's resonate. You are the one who tames this person. Ikaw yung maybe this person realize na ikaw yung parang nakakapag patino sa kanya. I don't know kung meron ka ditong sinabi sa person na 'to, may binitawan kang salita, pero tumatak yun sa kanya for some of you, pile number one. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what's the universe answer. Whether if you let go to this dito sa person na 'to, will this person come back? So let's see. For sure, 'di ba? For sure this person will come back. Of course. Anything is possible. So, what I sense here, it's either, nasa sa'yo na guys, kung ano man yung mag-resonate sa'yo na scenario doon sa aking mga sinabi, pero most probably, for some of you na gusto pa yung past person or the one from the past na who is coming back, this is a big chance na malaki talaga yung possibility na ano, na bumalik tong person na to, whether you already let go, naghiwalay na kayo, matagal na kayong naghiwalay, matagal na kayo nagkaroon ng no communication, parang ganyan. This person will surely come back. Okay? So, para dun sa mga umaasa or naghihintay or waiting, yeah. Kasi na-realize itong person na to kung ano yung mga mali niyang ginawa sa'yo and po pwedeng gusto niyang bumawi sa'yo. Pero meron din ako nakikita na for some of you, there is a new commitment na towards you. So, whether you want the new one or the other person, so it's up to you, pile number one. Okay, so again, this is a short pick card. So, ito lang yung mga nakita ko dito sa pile number one. So, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo to. And kung hindi man, it's okay. You're free to watch pile number two. Okay? So, maraming maraming salamat sa inyo guys, pile number one. So, you are welcome to watch again the pile number two kung hindi man resonated sa inyo to. And I will go to pile number two na. Hi, pile number two. So, ito yung card mo. Pero first, Pile number two, just give me a moment. Kukuha lang muna ako ng tubig, okay? So, wait lang muna. Kukuha lang muna ako ng tubig kasi nga inuubo ako eh. Okay? Okay. So, sorry guys. Medyo pagaling pa lang kasi ako sa sakit. Kaya, pasensyahan nyo na. Okay, pile number two. So, this is your reading. So, topic natin is, if I let go, will this person come back? Okay, so, titingnan natin. If you let go dito sa person na to, which you did, if you already let go, babalik ba siya? So, titingnan natin yung sagot. Diyan sa question na yan, pa number 2. Divine Masculine, him. Wow. Karmic relationship, toxicity. Seduction, attraction, teasing, hooking up and date, third party, temptation. Wow. Ascending, learning and expansion, transcending, preparing for union, new pace. Wow, for those of you, you are already in a new cycle. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo ha, insecurity, self-esteem, coffee cup, meeting and talking, savoring the moment, feeling elevated, building friendship. O, di ba, you are in a new pace na. So, meron ako nakikita na you are talking, you are having your best life. Okay? Po pwedeng, for some of you, you're enjoying yourself. Maybe yung iba sa inyo hindi naman totally in relationship agad. O pwedeng working on a new connection like friendship, ganyan. Socializing, love call, expressing love, message of love, thinking of you, informing you. Wow. Wedding ring, union and marriage, soul connection, everlasting love, devotion. I'm sorry, apology. Oh my gosh. There is a karmic here. Missing, thinking of you. Oh my gosh. There is a karmic here. Yeah. Ba't kaya ganun, no? What I sense here is, hindi naman Mercury retrograde, pero siguro ganun siguro pag malapit na mag-Christmas, guys, no? Meron ako nakikita dito na there is someone here wants to apology, wants to say sorry, and always thinking of you. Someone he wants to express love towards you, wants to message you. It can be this is a karmic relationship. And it connects with a masculine, divine masculine. It can be na-meet mo to somewhere. Okay. Um, somewhere, meron ako nakita na parang dating app, coffee shop. Um, for some of you, this is an ex-husband, ex-boyfriend. Guys, I'm so sorry, ano ha, ay magiging prangka ako. For some of you, this is an ex-husband or a boyfriend, an ex-boyfriend, so sorry. Kasi, po pwedeng you devoted yourself dito sa person na to, but it ended up not so good. Kasi, it can be this person is na involved sa third party. Right? Um, pero meron ako dito nakikita na ano eh. Actually, positive yung nakikita ko dito most of you. Kasi, whether kung ano man yung background nitong person na to, meron ako nakikita na you need to prepare for union kasi you will meet this person again. Makikita mo to again. Oo. Biglaan. Kasi itong balloon na to, suddenly pop up. Alam mo yun, yung biglaan siya. Siguro, ano, you have an insecurities in yourself. You're not so confident. Or this person is the one who is not confident to talk to you, to express yung sarili niya sa'yo, na namimiss ka niya and gusto niya mag-sorry. Kasi siguro, you are ascending or you have a transformation which is you are totally very attractive right now. Meron ako nakikita you are like a candy. Parang ano, may glow up na nangyari. And po pwedeng, kung sino man tong person na to is, malaki yung pinagbago mo kasi that's why this person is parang, hindi siya makapag, alam mo yun, makapag-communicate sa'yo kasi nahihiya siya. Meron akong nakitang nahihiya na mag-express ng sarili kasi this person is uh, mababa yung self-esteem. We will see. Strength card. Magician. Wow, someone here is manifesting you. Oh my gosh. Emperor. Wow, it can be a fire sign again. Aries specifically. It can be this is an old person or mas may edad sa'yo. The Lover's card. Gemini. You still love this person. Yung iba sa inyo ha, you still love this person. This person is manifesting you or you manifest this, you are manifesting this person. Three of Swords. Oh my gosh. Mm. Third party. Trauma. We'll see. Hangman. Wow, there is a pause here. No connection. Meron ako nakitang no connection. Siguro nagkaroon kayo ng no connection nitong person na to. Someone here is in a karmic relationship. Whether ikaw, pile number 2 yung nasa karmic or itong person to is yung nasa karmic relationship. Actually, guys, yung tarot cards, this person or you, pile number 2, love each other and may gusto mag-apology dito. Merong nakapanakit sa other person. Whether ikaw to pile number 2, pero most of the energy na nababasa ko, baka ano, ate ko resonate guys ha, pwedeng ikaw yung nakapanakit ito sa person na to or itong person na to yung nakapanakit sa'yo. Kasi may third party ulat dito na nakikita which is Three of Swords, heartache, trauma. May nakikita ko dito na someone cheated on his partner kasi na attract sa karmic. And well, nare na-realize niya na ano, na ikaw yung mahal niya. Nami-miss ka niya. Pero may post dito, may post ako nakikita dito. Merong no communication. Wala ring yung for some of you, meron ako nararamdaman na someone here is not releasing the other person. O pwedeng this person still not releasing you even though siya yung nagloko. Take what's resonate again, guys. Someone here love the other person eh. So whatever it is, hati yung nakikita kong energy for some of you. The one who is the most na nagmahal sa connection ninyo is yun yung nakikipag-communicate. Pile number 2. And it can be this person wants to apologize. O pwede sigurong hiwalay na sila ng karmic for some of you. Pile number 2, hiwalay na sila. This person is manifesting you. It can be, this is a karmic eh. Nakikita kong ano eh, karmic person to. Yung iba sa inyo. So, let's see. If this person, itong kung sino man na ano, na gustong mag-apologize sa'yo, and namimiss ka, will this person come back? So, titingnan natin pile number 2. Babalik ba tong person na to? Pero may nakita ko, for some who yes. Right time. Right timing, I guess. Not worth it. Most likely. Well, for some of you na ascending na and nagka-transform na, you are in a new phase na or ano, parang ano ni, close na yung cycle mo with this person. Maybe this person is the one who is hindi maka-move on and ayaw kang i-release. Okay? Ayaw kang i-release. So, kahit na sabihin natin siya yung nagloko. This person don't want to release you kasi it can be this person is controlling for some of you. So, for some of you, siguro, ang ano nyo, it's not worth of your time. And, siguro, right timing na rin siguro yung nangyari. Kasi, para makawala ka dun sa connection ninyo. And it can be talagang sobrang toxic ng connection ninyo. Okay? Hindi ko naman nilalahat. Pile number 2. Pero yun kasi yung nakikita ko dito. And most likely, para dun sa iba, hati, yung nakikita ko kasi guys eh. Yung iba sa inyo, ayaw na, while the others, parang hindi pa makapag-decision or indecisive. So, take what's resonate, guys. So, you already let go of this person kasi you're in a new phase na. Well, sabi ko nga, dahil marami ng mga nanonood sa ating Pick a Heart, so different energy yung ating nababasa. Yung iba sa inyo, yes, masaya na malaman na this person still missing you and wants to communicate and wants to say sorry, while the others is hindi na interesado kasi you are forming a new connection na. Right now. Pero nakikita ko na this person wants to talk to you. Wants to say something sa'yo. Again, siguro dahil Christmas season lang, malamig ang panahon, that's why nostalgic sa iba. Kaya, ayan na naman. Bumabalik na naman. Okay? So, air sign can be an air sign, a fire sign, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Leo to be exact, okay. It can be this person left you hanging also, okay. And pa pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, this person is the reason kaya nagkaroon ka ng self-esteem before. Before. Kasi nga siguro mahilig tong person to sa maganda. Okay, and siguro parang you feel na parang I'm not that pretty ba? Kaya ganun ang ginawa. Pero meron nung nakuha na you are ascending, you are glowing up ngayon. And you regain yourself already. Kasi nga, yung iba sa inyo nasa new connection na. Nasa new phase na. So, guys, Pile number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo to. Pasensya na kayo kung maikli kasi this is a short pick o card reading lang, okay? Kasi nagpapagaling pa po ako sa sakit kaya medyo natagalan tayo ng pag-upload ulit. Pero asahan ninyo, once na naging okay na yung pakiramdam natin, magtutuloy-tuloy tayo ulit ng pag-upload, okay? So, pile number 2, maraming maraming salamat. Pwede ka ulit manood ng pile number 1 if hindi sa'yo nag-resonate to. Okay? So, para sa mga nag-resonate, please comment down sa ating comment box para mabasa ko and na-appreciate ko. And pwede rin kayong mag-request kung ano yung gusto ninyong topic. Okay? So, baka before Christmas is mamigay ako ng lucky winners na mananalo ng lucky bracelet, okay, and free reading. Okay? So, abangan ninyo. Maraming maraming salamat guys. Happy Friday and advance Merry Christmas sa inyo. And I will upload soon, okay? So, bye!